Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, it's very special because I am going on tour. You must be thinking this guy always go on tour because I always go out, make a video, and show it to you. But this time, it's a special one because I have booked a tour with the passengers. Yes, guys, the passenger when they come to cruise on a cruise, they book a tour, and even we can book a tour, but we need to pay. But if you book a tour with a passenger to assist them, then you don't have to pay anything. So I have booked a tour. My tour will start by 1:10 something around, and I don't have to pay a single penny for that. And the tour cost is $100. So I just need to be with the passenger like an assistant guide. There will be a professional guide. I just need to assist him. That's it. So guys, I'll make a video on that and I'll show it to you. By the way, I am in Odin, the place where Thor come from the space. Yes, this is the place. So I'll be keep making video about this Odin part and I'll show it to you. Thank you. So well guys, I am waiting outside these coaches. One of these coaches will take me to the glacier. It is a glacier tour. Okay, I am going to see glaciers. So this is the paper, this is the form which I have to fill up while traveling. Okay, it shows like the comments and like, are you taking coach, minibus, taxi, what time you leave from there, what all the stops you have, and it's like that. So these are the coaches you can see. So I'll get once all the passenger will go in, then I have to go in and look for a place and sit over there and go with them. Need to count the passenger also, how many passengers I have with me. This is my bus, you can see. And this gentleman over here, he'll be driving me to the glacier. Say hello to India.
Yes, that's right.
Say hello to India.
Yeah. Go to Brixhall, driving trolley cars, walk to the glacier, return back to coffee and tea, thus back to the ship in the afternoon.
Okay. Please bring me back to my ship, otherwise I'll get fired.
Okay, this our driver.
Oh. He's the person who will be driving and he's the person who will be assisting as a tour guide, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So well guys, you can see all the passengers are getting ready. They are getting into coach one by one and they are getting ready to board a coach and go for the tour, which is Glacier Bay. Not the Glacier Bay, it's Glacier. Well guys, this is the name of the tour. I'm taking this Bristol Glacier by Troll car. So we'll be getting in this coach and then we'll be taking a troll car. Okay? So well guys, I am in the bus now. Okay, and heading to the glacier point. Okay, and the total number of passengers will be around 38 something. And I need to take care of them. I'll show how you need to take care. So if you take a tour, next time a passenger tour, you also know what to do exactly. Okay.
My name is Oddmar. I'm coming with you today up to Brixhall. We are changing from a bus to a little 7-seater troll car, taking us part of the way up to the glacier. Our driver today, his name is Jon, a typical Norwegian name. And we stopped there for 3/4 an hour. And the same bus is taking us back to the ship in the afternoon. Supposed to be back here at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. In a minute we turn off from the main road and go up through the Olden valley. Right in front of us you see a very white painted church. That is a very, very old church from 1734. It's not used anymore, and this is kept open all the summer, so visitors could walk inside and have a look. And it do happen there is a a wedding or two during the summer season. That's all. The new church built in 1920 is right in front of us. Mostly the churches in Norway are painted white. This is painted red because the booklet was empty for white paint. Lutheran. To the right, you see a little bit of the river in Olden. That is a salmon river,
Wow.
where they catch salmon and trout. And but the season for fishing is rather short, from 1st of June to end of September. That has to do with they catch a lot of salmon and trout near the coast, and also the temperature in the water is sometimes too cold because it's snow, there's melting water from the river. And there also a bit of fouling in the water, in the fjords. The cost of fishing in the river cost, you need a license to fish, and that costs you from 500 to 1,000 kroner a day each rod. But even so, it's very popular, and a lot of people came to Norway just for fishing. And we have, but I can tell you, we are passing quite a few falls on the way to the glacier. Olden has also got a lake, a huge lake, but this is just a widening of the river. So in a few seconds we get to the Olden lake. Today you are on the southwestern part of Norway, called the fjord country. That means there is 3 fjords coming in from the ocean, all the way up to Riksdal. In this lake is also plenty of fish. Trout, mountain trout as they call it, 2 or 3 to a kilo. And it's free fishing in the lake, and you can use whatever you want: spindle, worm and fly. And you can even put out a net during the night and have a lot of nice fish. Nice fish for breakfast, for instance. One-way traffic. There is people living all the way up to where we park the bus, So every morning there is a school bus going down to Olden. And years ago they also had their own little dairy up here. This red building over there with a high chimney, that was the dairy. Today they has rebuilt it and it's the village hall where they get together to celebrate the day in Christmas and Easter, having a wedding and so on. And a place to get together talking for a cup of coffee.